In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how to use page navigation in WDP. Go to HOC and find Nav menu. Drag the menu to the place you want. Change the menu name. Adjust font style. Create new pages you want correspondingly. You can create new effect events in the interaction section to connect the menu buttons to the pages. Delete unwanted submenus. Go to Blueprint at this page. As you can see, Blueprint is automatically created through interaction settings. Or instead of going through interaction settings, you can also achieve the menu to pages connections directly through creating Blueprint from scratches. You need NAV menu and element, multi-branches and logical nodes, and switch pages and logical nodes. Connect them as shown in the video. Choose the corresponding pages you want to switch to. Choose the blueprint, copy them, and paste them to the blueprint of another page. Paste the same blueprint to all the pages involved. Adjust default menu selection effect of each page. Let's preview the scene and panel. That's all for today. Please stay tuned for more tutorial videos.